One accidental drop can turn your brand new iPad Air M4 into a cracked nightmare, and that's exactly why you need serious protection. In today's video, I've rounded up the 15 best drop protection cases that actually survive real-life impacts. Welcome back to the channel. Check the links below to grab yours safely. On number 15 is Seymac for iPad Air Case. The Seymac iPad Air Case is designed for users who need maximum protection and versatility, featuring a rugged shockproof build, built-in screen protector, 360-degree rotating stand, hand strap, shoulder strap, and pencil holder for all-in-one functionality. Its multi-layer construction provides strong drop protection, and in real-life use, it performs exceptionally well for travel, fieldwork, or kids' use, though it adds noticeable bulk and weight. Compared to slimmer folio cases like ESR or Zugu, it offers far better durability and utility features, but sacrifices portability and sleek design. Overall, it delivers excellent value for users who prioritize protection and functionality, and it's highly recommended for those needing a tough, reliable case for demanding daily use. Next in the list is Soke case for iPad Air 11-inch. The Soke rugged case for iPad Air is designed to provide full-body protection with practical usability, featuring a built-in screen protector, shockproof TPU, plus hard-shell construction, and a sturdy kickstand for hands-free viewing. Its durable materials help protect against drops, impacts, and scratches, and in real-life use, it performs reliably for daily handling, travel, or kids' use, though it adds noticeable bulk compared to slim cases. Compared to heavy-duty cases like Seymac, it offers similar protection, but with a slightly simpler design and fewer accessories like straps, while still maintaining solid everyday functionality. Overall, it delivers good value for users who want strong protection without overspending, and it's a practical recommendation for students, families, and anyone needing a durable, no-nonsense protective case. Next in the list is Vikesi case for iPad Air 11-inch. The Vikesi case for iPad Air 11-inch is designed as a versatile, protective cover with a multi-angle stand, soft back, pencil holder, and auto sleep/wake functionality, making it ideal for everyday productivity and media use. Its upgraded triple bracket stand system provides noticeably better stability compared to typical magnetic stands, while the lightweight yet durable materials offer a smooth, premium feel and reliable drop protection in real-life scenarios like desk work or travel. Build quality is solid for its price, and features like precise compatibility and reduced weight enhance usability, though it may lack the rugged durability of premium options like Zugu or Spec cases. Compared to competitors, it delivers similar functionality at a more budget-friendly level, making it a strong value choice. Overall, it's best suited for students and casual users who want practical protection and flexibility without overspending, and it's easy to recommend in its price range. Next in the list is Fintie Shockproof case for iPad Air 11-inch. The Fintie Shockproof case for iPad Air 11-inch is built for reliable, everyday protection, combining a slim, frosted hardback with a multi-angle kickstand and pencil holder, making it ideal for both work and entertainment setups. Its reinforced frame and shock-absorbing materials handle real-life drops and bumps effectively, while the stable kickstand design offers wobble-free viewing compared to basic folio cases. The build quality feels sturdy yet lightweight, and features like precise cutouts and easy installation enhance usability without adding bulk, though it isn't as premium in finish as high-end brands like Zugu. In terms of value, it delivers strong protection and functionality at a budget-friendly price, making it perfect for students, casual users, or anyone needing dependable daily protection. And it's easy to recommend for its balance of durability, practicality, and affordability. Next in the list is timecity case for iPad Air 11-inch. The timecity case for iPad Air 11-inch is purpose-built for heavy-duty protection and creative workflows, combining a 360-degree rotating stand, built-in screen protector, pencil holder, and shoulder strap into a rugged, all-in-one design. Its triple-layer construction and reinforced frame deliver strong, real-world performance against drops, dust, and daily wear, while the rotating stand and hand shoulder straps make it especially practical for designers, field workers, or on-the-go use. The build feels solid and slightly bulky, but justifies it with durability and grip. And features like wireless charging support and multi-angle viewing improve usability compared to simpler folio cases. Compared to alternatives like Seymac or ProCase, it offers similar protection but stands out with better ergonomics and accessory integration, making it a strong value for those needing more than basic coverage. Overall, it's ideal for professionals, students, or outdoor users who prioritize protection and flexibility. And it's easy to recommend if rugged functionality matters more than slim aesthetics. Next in the list is Dtto for iPad Air 11-inch case. The Dtto iPad Air 11-inch rotating leather case is designed for users who want a blend of style and functionality, featuring a 360-degree rotating stand, premium faux leather exterior, pencil holder, and auto sleep/wake support for everyday convenience. Its sturdy PC frame and scratch-resistant vegan leather provide dependable protection in real-life use like travel, office work, or media viewing, while the rotating mechanism allows flexible angles that feel more versatile than standard folio cases. The build quality feels refined and durable with a professional look, though it's slightly bulkier than minimalist cases like JETech, which focus more on slimness than premium finish. In terms of value, it balances aesthetics and functionality well at a mid-range price, making it ideal for professionals, students, or anyone wanting a classy yet practical case. And it's easy to recommend for those prioritizing versatility with a premium feel. Next in the list is Cantis case for iPad Air 11-inch. The Cantis case for iPad Air 11-inch is designed for heavy-duty protection, featuring a rugged 3-layer build with hard PC and silicone that effectively absorbs shocks and prevents scratches during real-life drops or daily rough use. Its built-in kickstand and pencil holder enhance usability for studying, streaming, or working, while precise cutouts and a dust-protected port design make it easy to use in practical scenarios. The build quality feels solid and durable, though slightly bulky compared to slim folio cases like Fintie, which prioritize portability over rugged protection. In terms of value, it offers strong durability at a reasonable price, making it ideal for kids, students, or users needing extra protection. And it's a dependable choice if safety matters more than sleek design. Next up is BATYUE case for iPad Air 11-inch. The BATYUE case for iPad Air 11-inch is designed for rugged, all-around protection, featuring a 360-degree rotating stand, built-in handle, pencil holder, and adjustable shoulder strap, making it ideal for active or outdoor use. Its multi-layer shockproof construction with TPU and hard PC materials delivers strong, real-life performance against drops, bumps, and daily wear, while the rotating stand and strap system add practical flexibility for work, travel, or hands-free viewing. The build feels durable and secure, though slightly bulky, and compared to slimmer folio cases like ProCase, it prioritizes protection and versatility over lightweight design. In terms of value, it offers extensive features at a reasonable price, making it especially suitable for students, field workers, or kids, and it's easy to recommend for those who need maximum durability with added functionality. Next up is Akkerds compatible with iPad Air 11-inch case. The Akkerds iPad Air 11-inch case is designed for everyday protection and convenience, featuring a slim trifold stand, built-in pencil holder, and auto sleep/wake function that enhances daily usability. Its combination of PU leather exterior and flexible TPU back offers reliable protection against scratches and light drops while maintaining a soft, comfortable grip in real-life use. The lightweight build and precise cutouts make it easy to install and carry, though it provides less rugged protection compared to heavy-duty cases like Cantis. In terms of value, it stands out as a budget-friendly option with essential features, making it ideal for students and casual users, and it's a practical recommendation for those who prefer slim design over maximum protection. Next up is TiMOVO for iPad Air 11-inch case. The TiMOVO iPad Air 11-inch case is designed for users who want slim, everyday protection with a clean look. Featuring a translucent hardback, trifold stand, and auto-wake sleep function for seamless daily use. Its lightweight PC back and soft front cover handle scratches and minor bumps well in real-life scenarios like commuting or desk work, while maintaining a sleek profile without bulk. The build quality feels durable for its category, and the frosted, transparent design adds a modern touch compared to standard opaque folio cases, though it offers less drop protection than rugged options like Cantis. In terms of value, it delivers reliable functionality at an affordable price, making it ideal for students and casual users who prefer portability and style. And it's a solid recommendation for light to moderate use. Next up is JETech case, only for iPad Air 11-inch. The JETech case for iPad Air 11-inch is built for simple, everyday protection, featuring a slim hardback shell, trifold stand, and auto-wake sleep function that makes daily use smooth and efficient. Its lightweight design with a translucent frosted back resists scratches and fingerprints while handling minor drops well in real-life scenarios like commuting or desk work. The build quality is solid for its budget category, with precise cutouts and stable dual viewing angles, though it lacks the heavy-duty protection found in rugged competitors like Fintie. In terms of value, it delivers reliable functionality at an affordable price, making it ideal for students and casual users who prefer a slim, no-bulk case, and it's a practical recommendation for everyday, light use. Next up is ProCase Smart Case for iPad Air 11-inch. The ProCase Smart Case for iPad Air 11-inch is designed for lightweight, everyday protection, combining a slim, hardback shell with a soft PU front cover and auto-sleep/wake for seamless daily use. Its durable PC back and microfiber-lined cover protect against scratches, bumps, and minor drops in real-life scenarios like commuting or office work, while maintaining a sleek, travel-friendly profile. The build quality feels reliable for its price, and the trifold stand offers stable viewing and typing angles, though it lacks the heavy-duty protection found in rugged cases like Fintie. Compared to similar budget folio cases like JETech, it offers a slightly more refined finish with comparable functionality, making it a strong value option. Overall, it's best suited for students and casual users who want a slim, practical case, and it's easy to recommend for everyday, light to moderate use. Next up is Torras Ostan K3 Neo for iPad Air 11-inch case. The Torras Ostan K3 Neo iPad Air 11-inch case is designed for users who want a premium blend of stability and slim protection, featuring an ultra-stable adjustable kickstand, shockproof build, and integrated pencil holder for seamless daily use. Its precision-engineered hinge and anti-slip design deliver excellent real-life performance on desks, laps, or soft surfaces, offering noticeably better stability than standard folio cases. The build quality feels refined yet durable, with lightweight materials and a sleek profile, making it comfortable to carry while still protecting against everyday drops and scratches. Compared to competitors like ESR or basic trifold cases, it stands out with superior stand stability and flexibility, making it a strong value choice for professionals, students, and creatives. And it's easy to recommend for those who want premium functionality without bulk. Next up is ESR for iPad Air 11-inch case. The ESR Rebound 360 series case for iPad Air 11-inch is designed for versatile protection and productivity, featuring a removable magnetic cover, vertical and horizontal stand modes, and a secure pencil holder for flexible daily use. Its strong magnetic attachment and dual-layer protection perform reliably in real-life scenarios like note-taking, streaming, and travel, offering stable viewing angles and easy detachment when needed. The build quality feels premium yet lightweight, and compared to standard folio cases like JETech, it stands out, with true 360-degree rotation and detachable functionality for better usability. In terms of value, it delivers advanced features at a competitive price, making it ideal for students, professionals, and creatives. And it's a solid recommendation for those who want flexibility without compromising protection. Last one in the list is UAG, designed for iPad Air 11-inch case. The Urban Armor Gear UAG Metropolis SE case for iPad Air 11-inch is designed for rugged, professional-grade protection, combining a feather-light composite build, impact-resistant core, and multi-angle adjustable stand with a built-in pencil holder for practical daily use. Its military-grade drop protection and reinforced corners perform exceptionally well in real-life scenarios like travel, fieldwork, or heavy daily handling, offering far more durability than standard folio cases. The build quality feels premium and tough, with a smooth PU exterior that resists wear and supports repeated cleaning, though it is slightly bulkier compared to slim options like ProCase, which prioritize portability over protection. In terms of value, it sits at a higher price point, but justifies it with superior durability and stability, making it ideal for professionals, students, and outdoor users who need serious protection. And it's highly recommended for those who prioritize reliability over minimal design. So that was our list of the 15 best iPad Air M4 drop protection cases built to handle real-world damage without compromising usability. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite in the comments. Links are in the description. Grab the one that fits your lifestyle best.